we just go? Can we just go? Forget about where we're going. Can we just
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley if you're new here. As you can tell from the title, we're going to be doing a fun little wintry haul. I have a ton of clothing items and then two kind of like home related items that I want to throw in at the end here. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, keep on watching. So the first item we have up is this cute little blazer. I think this will be perfect come summertime, even in the spring. Dress up any outfit, as well as I commonly need to have like blazers and nicer professional pieces. Hi guys, you guessed it, I am coming at you because I wanted to clarify what I just said. So I need blazers because obviously I'm a business major. I'm doing classes and courses where I need to be professional for presentations or even just interviewing for different things or going to different club meetings. So I just needed more business professional workwear items, and so that's what I failed to explain here. So that's why I'm here right now, to fill in the gaps. Back to the video. And this one actually is from Burlington Coat Factory, so it wasn't even that expensive, but it looks so classy. Definitely love this gold button detail. I love this little blazer and can't wait to rock it very, very soon, especially as we transition into different seasons. Up next, I have another blazer. This one actually is from Forever 21, and it is this brown blazer right here. I can really see myself, especially in the fall, wearing something like this. As we continue on this whole blazer trend, if you couldn't tell, something that I've been looking for the past few months has been blazers, and I have this really cute pinky one that is perfect for the spring. I can already envision an outfit that I'm going to be wearing with this very, very soon. So again, it's just like the other blazer that I got from Forever 21, so again, you can purchase from there. Next, I have this very, very cute cardigan. It actually has like a hood on top. So here's the hood right here, and it has this like speckled material and it has these little like black speck pieces. It has some pockets down here at the bottom. It's very, very cute on, perfect length for me. Again, it can dress up and kind of tailor any outfit that I'm wearing, and so I've been wearing this quite a lot. Quick little pause, because the outfit I'm wearing right now, actually with this cute little sleeve situation here, is also one of the outfits I got. That last cardigan was from Marshalls. This also is from Marshalls. Super cute. I definitely love the floral showing right here. I think it just adds some movement. I love textures on the top. Up next is this cute dress from Banana Republic. Be great for the fall, the more colder months, especially with this more darker color tone. I have this cute little like tiger stripe type black and gray top that I got from Marshalls. Super duper cute. Love it so much. I can see myself wearing this to so many different like Clemson related events, and especially as it like gets colder, it's usually difficult to find tiger stripe anything that's weather appropriate, and so I think when I found this, I was like, yes, I am grabbing that. I can see myself wearing this with like purple accessories and stuff, so great little find. This next dress I wish I had found at Marshalls prior to Thanksgiving because it is so cute. It is this like mock neck turtleneck dress that has this more like, I think of like a burnt orangey kind of rust tone, and at the bottom here it has this kind of waffle knitting, which looks so cute. Up next, this one was literally on the floor when I found it in Marshalls, so it's been through some stuff, I'm assuming, hence why it's super wrinkled, but it's this cute little flannel that I got from Marshalls as well, and I think that this, you know, can tie in, create so much with any outfit. You can wear it open, you can wear it, you know, closed, you can wear it around your waist. There's just so many options. So I was not done with the blazers. If you had thought so, you would have been wrong. I have this last one that I got from Burlington. It has this cool, like, I can't even describe this pattern. You can kind of tell me based on what you see there. Love it. Can't wait to style it with so many outfits. And the last and final clothing piece that I have for this haul is actually this top from Loft, and it is like this mustardy yellow color. My sister Sydney actually has the exact same one, so I guess we'll be twinning somewhere down the road. It has these stripes on it, and I just love how happy and fun it looks. So the next two things are actually some candles that I'm just going to round out this haul with, and I purchased both of them from Marshalls. This first one is this vanilla oak moss candle by Brightside Wax Company. That's what it looks like. It smells so good. It's just such a like calming, good smell, but it's very faint. Even when I'm done, it will still fit my decor. A lot of the candles they had at Marshalls right now are very Valentine's Day inspired, which is pink and red, of course. So I was just trying to grab as many of these like pinky rose gold type candles I could find, because again, they always lend themselves to make great decor pieces once they're done, at least in this room. So the next one I have is this honey tea coconut and beeswax blend, and it's a natural wick with infused essential oils, and so it smells so good. This one's a little bit more, I would say, on the muskier side, if you will. That's what it looks like. Those conclude our little wintry haul, and if you enjoyed today's video and aren't subscribed, go ahead and pause and do that right down below. The big subscribe button should be somewhere probably over there that you can subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell as well. Follow me on social media. I have been trying to up my Instagram game slowly but surely. Follow me over there as well as on Twitter, and until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.